we will start the properties of a rational number. Properties of a rational number, and we see uh, it on operation addition. There are four fundamental operations: addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Now, first of all, we are going to discuss the properties of the rational number when we consider operation addition. First property, this is the closure property. If we take an operation plus or addition, let us suppose that A belongs to Q. It means A is the element of set Q, means rational number, and B is another element which belongs to set Q, means this is the number from this is the rational number. Then we add A plus B, we get some resultant, and it, according to closure property, it is also the member of set Q, means it is also a rational number. Similarly, there is the second property, commutative property. Commutative property means, let us suppose that A is a rational number, B is also a rational number, then A plus B is equal to B plus A. It means 3 by 2 plus 1 by 2 is equal to 1 by 2 plus 3 by 2. Now, third, this is called associative property. Associative property. For this case, we have required three elements. Let us suppose A belongs to Q, B belongs to Q, and C is also belongs to Q. Means A, B, and C all are rational number. Then, according to this associative property, A plus B plus C is equal to A plus B plus C. Now, the fourth property, additive property. What do you mean by additive property? Additive property not is identity. Identity. Look here. This is a very important thing. Additive identity means there is a number. Additive identity, it means there is number in which if we use any operation, addition, subtraction, multiplication, or division, in each and every case, when we operate with additive identity identity, we get the same number. For example, let us suppose that there is a rational number 3 by 2. What we should add in 3 by 2? Again we get the 3 by 2. Certainly it is 0. So the additive identity in a case of operation addition, in case of rational number, this is 0. So we can say that A belongs to Q, then A plus 0 is equal to 0 plus A is equal to A. Then 0 is additive identity. When we consider the operation subtraction, additive identity is the same, because A minus 0, that is also A. Next, additive inverse. Additive inverse. What do you mean by inverse? Inverse means when we follow some operations, and each and every case, after operating two numbers, we get additive identity, then both are considered as inverse of each other. For example, let us suppose that if there is a rational number a which belongs to q, then in a what should be add? We get identity. Identity means 0. So if we add a minus a, we get 0. Then a is inverse of minus a, and minus a is inverse of a, but operation must be addition. Thank you.